In this video, I'll detail how to turn off too close to screen on iPhone. So if your child or you're using your iPhone and your iPhone pops too close to screen, then there's going to be a lock on the screen, but this can be turned off. So here, I'm going to show you how you can permanently turn off too close to your iPhone screen while using it while lying on bed, or you are too focused to the screen, or the distance between your eyes and the screen is just too minimal. All you just need to do is tilt your head a bit, and once your iPhone sensor can confirm that you've tilted your head a bit, then the too close to your iPhone screen will be disabled. That is temporal. However, if you want to turn it off permanently, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings, then on the settings, scroll down, and you want to select screen time. Now once you select the screen time, scroll down and locate screen distance. Then if this is enabled in your own case, you're only going to see too close to your iPhone each time you are too close to your iPhone while using it. Then to turn this off, just go ahead and disable this. And once that is disabled, you can just hit the back button and you are good. So that is basically what you need to do to turn off too close to screen on iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.